Your car holds more secrets than you might think. From saving fuel to avoiding expensive repairs, experienced drivers know tricks that most people never learn. But here's the surprising part. Mechanics and dealerships don't always share these secrets, because the less you know, the more money they make on preventable repairs. That's why today I'm revealing 25 car secrets only experienced drivers know. Pro tips that keep your car running longer, safer, and cheaper. And before we begin, let me make a small personal request. Running this channel takes a lot of time, research, and effort. Every subscription helps me cover my college fees while bringing you car tips that actually save you money. So if you'd like to support Gear Specs and protect your own car, please hit that subscribe button. It really makes a difference. Alright, let's get into it. Tire pressure equals fuel economy. Pros check their tire pressure monthly, not just when a warning light comes on. Proper PSI can improve fuel economy by up to 10% and save your tires from uneven wear. Warm up the smart way. Idling for 10 minutes in winter is a waste. Experienced drivers know to drive gently instead, warming the engine naturally and avoiding fuel waste. Engine braking saves money. Instead of riding the brakes downhill, pros downshift. It reduces brake wear and prevents overheating. Alright, so here's a neat little trick for you. They fuel up in the morning when gasoline is denser. It's like getting a bit more fuel for the same money. Pretty clever, right? Now, let's talk about something important. Topping off the tank actually damages the vapor system. That extra 50 cents of fuel could end up costing you a $500 repair. Yikes. Here's a tip that might save you some trouble down the road. They avoid cranking the steering wheel while stopped. It's a small habit, but it really helps protect those steering pumps and tie rods. Keep that in mind. On slopes, even with automatics, pros use the parking brake. It takes pressure off the transmission and honestly helps prevent those costly park pin failures. Roll down your windows for a minute before turning on the AC in summer. It actually saves the compressor from unnecessary stress. Keeping the clutch pressed at long lights, yeah, it burns it out faster. Experienced drivers shift into neutral and save their clutch life. That little squeak or rattle? Yeah, pros catch it early. Small fixes cost about $50, but ignoring them can end up costing you thousands. They turn off the AC, lights, and radio before switching off the car, so the next startup is way easier, and honestly, the battery lasts a lot longer. Most drivers ignore it, but pros actually flush brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. Moisture inside ruins braking efficiency and can really damage parts. So always tighten nuts in a crisscross pattern. This simple step honestly helps prevent warped brake rotors and, uneven pressure. Cheap filters, well, they can actually cause sludge and engine wear. Experienced drivers usually stick with OEM or just high-quality brands. They avoid flooring it for no reason. Gentle acceleration, believe it or not, saves fuel and extends engine life. Instead of relying only on the tachometer, pros listen to the engine's sound, preventing strain from early or late shifts. Dirty fuel clogs injectors. Experienced drivers stick to reputable stations and save thousands in injector repairs. Resting your foot on the clutch wears it down. Neutral is always better at stops. Alright, so here's a neat little trick for all you turbo drivers out there. Before shutting off your engine, let it idle for about 30 seconds. This simple habit can actually prevent oil coking, which is something that can totally destroy a turbo. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Now let's talk about a quick tip for those snowy or icy days. The pros know to lift their wipers. Why, you ask? Well, it keeps them from freezing to the windshield and tearing. It's a small step that can save you some hassle later on. Finally, when it comes to parking on a hill, here's what you need to do. Turn your wheels toward the curb when you're facing downhill, and away from the curb when you're uphill. It's a tiny move, but it can prevent your car from becoming a runaway. Pretty important, right? So here's something you might not think about. Heavy keychains can actually wear out your ignition switches over time. The pros, they always keep their keys light, and honestly, it's just a smart move. Worn bushings are sneaky. They can cause uneven tire wear and just make your car handle kind of sloppy. If you catch them early, you'll save a lot on suspension costs, trust me. Just a dab of grease on the joints during oil changes can totally prevent squeaks and make your suspension last way longer. It's cheap, but for some reason, mechanics almost never mention it. Finally, pros actually read their car's manual. It holds maintenance schedules that prevent costly mistakes. See, these aren't just secrets. They're habits that make your car safer, more reliable, and cheaper to own. And now that you know them, you'll be driving smarter than 90% of people on the road. If you learned something new, please consider subscribing to GearSpecs. Every subscription doesn't just support this channel, it helps me pay my college fees while giving you practical, money-saving car advice every week. And if you thought these driving secrets were helpful, you'll definitely want to watch our video on the 11 stupid fluid change mistakes that destroy cars fast. That one can literally save your engine.